there's two ways, of course, of campaigning. One is travelling around the last day by plane, as Mitt Romney is, on his way to Cleveland, Ohio, just arriving there, or it's just allowing yourself to be filmed, making phone calls to the party faithful and thanking them for all their hard work. Either way, you're visible, people see you, and they get the message. Adam Bolton's still standing by there in Washington, D.C. Adam, I suppose Barack Obama, that's probably a slightly more approachable way of being seen on polling day, making your phone calls, than it is arriving in Cleveland, Ohio, to do a little bit of last-minute rally campaigning.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, very much the performance of Mitt Romney is that of a challenger, showing that he's still going out there, still making the arguments. Barack Obama not doing that, staying in Illinois, phoning the campaign office.